Example 1. Hey, put that charger down. It belongs to me. Hey guys, today let's master the phrasal verb belong to. We use this phrase in two specific ways that you need to know. First, the obvious one, ownership. Instead of just saying it is mine, which is very simple, you can say it belongs to me. It sounds more formal and definite. But the second meaning is huge for social life. It means to be a member of a group, a club, or a community. If you are part of a fandom or a team, you belong to it. Now, let's make sure you remember this. I want you to be active in the comments today. Commenting below is the best way for you to show engagement with the community, and more importantly, it helps you put your knowledge into practice immediately. So, watch these examples closely because I want you to write your own in a second. Here are 3 practical examples. Example 1. Hey, put that charger down. It belongs to me. Example 2. I belong to a private Discord server for professional gamers. Example 3. She loves animals, so she belongs to 3 different rescue organizations. Now, it is your turn. Go to the comments and post an example you have created. Which groups or clubs do you belong to? If you can relate, leave a like to let me know. Keep learning and see you in the next video.